I'm Chelsea. I live on Maui. I use my Ergobaby every day. As you can imagine, having 5 kids can get a little chaotic. It's been to 10 countries, multiple terrains, waterfalls, hikes, beaches, and it's put up with everything we've thrown at it. They've practically been born in the Ergobaby. When I carry the kids on the back, it allows me to be 100% hands-on with the kids at all times. My husband can use it, my kids can use it, we're all using it. So when my youngest baby grows out of the Ergobaby carrier, I think I'll hand it on to the next mom just so they can experience all the great memories that I have with it.